Hi guys, for this video I will tell you how to charge the battery. It's a 14S11P. You can see here I put a series connector, and I have the Dph5015 and a Dps5020. So this one is set at 29 volts at 5 amps. And here I set a 29.4 volts at 5 amps. So as you can see guys, um, I doing this because I don't have the power supply that more than 50 volts. More than 60 volts. So this one is a almost 60 volts charging for here. But so I use the 50 volts. 50 volt, but I set to 29 volts. You know what I mean? So that's why I use series charging, but it's working. I thought it's not gonna work, but it's working. So now we're charging here at 52.3 volts. So yeah guys, I hope you like it, and soon I will post how to make this electric scooter. I hope, please subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye bye and peace.